Hi everyone and welcome back. In a new video. Today we are going to talk about ALLEXCEPT DAX function. ALLEXCEPT DAX function removes all context filters in the table except filters that have been applied to the specified columns. Okay, so let's move now to the syntax. The ALLEXCEPT table colon etc. Table is the table over which all context filters are removed except filters on those columns that are specified in the subsequent arguments. The column for which context filters must be preserved. The first argument to ALLEXCEPT function must be a reference to this table. All subsequent arguments must be references to base columns. You cannot use table expressions or column expressions with ALLEXCEPT function. Okay, value is a table with all filters removed except for the filters on the specified columns. Okay, this function is not used by itself but serves as an intermediate function that can be used to change the set of results over which some other calculations is performed. All and ALLEXCEPT can be used in different scenarios. All table removes all filters for all table removes all filters from the specified table. All table returns all of the values in the table, removing any filters from the context that otherwise might have been applied. This function is useful when you are working with many levels of grouping. The second one removes all filters from the specified columns in the table. All other filters on other columns in the table still apply. All columns arguments must come from the same table. The all column variant is useful when you want to remove the context filters for one or more specific columns and to keep all other context filters. The third one removes all context filters in the table except filters that are applied to the specified columns. This is a convenient shortcut for situation in which you want to remove the filters or many but not all columns in a table. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when used in calculated columns or row level security RLS rules. Let's create a measure using ALLEXCEPT DAX function. Click New Measure. Let's rename it Measure Amount, for example. Calculate sum of amount. Okay. All except data. Data customer. Okay. And let's click OK. And now let's create a table. Let's show you some date, and let's see customer here, as you can see here. So as you can see here, for each customer we have the sum of measure. Okay, and here we have the total of all the amounts. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please click on the like button, notification button, subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment as feedback, and see you in next videos. Bye for now.